Reonomy versus CoStar. Which one should you be using for commercial real estate research? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down Reonomy and CoStar, two of the most popular platforms in the commercial real estate space, so you can decide which one actually fits your needs. Let's start with CoStar. It's the industry giant used by brokers, investors, and big firms. It gives you deep property data, ownership info, lease rates, comps, and even market trends. If you're serious about CRE and want full access to the most complete data out there, CoStar is tough to beat. But it's not cheap, and the interface can feel heavy if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about Reonomy. Reonomy focuses more on property intelligence and owner targeting. Great for finding off-market deals and reaching out before others do. It's clean, easy to search, and perfect if you're into lead generation or cold outreach for investment properties. So which one is better? If you're a pro investor or broker who wants full market coverage and reporting tools, CoStar wins. But if you're all about finding motivated sellers and getting ahead of the competition, Reonomy might be your move. Both are awesome, just built for different parts of the real estate game. Let me know in the comments which one you use, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.